Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best toy cleaning set is probably one of the most exciting and essential toys for toddlers, as it combines fun and education. This set not only sparks joy but also teaches kids about responsibility and the importance of cleanliness in a playful way. Join me as we dive into this fantastic toy, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for your little ones. Number 5. LEGO Classic 10696 Creative Brick Box. This medium-sized building kit is perfect for sparking imagination. It comes with a variety of bricks in 35 different colors, offering endless possibilities for creative play. With windows, eyes, tires, and wool rims, the set encourages kids to build anything they can dream up. The green baseplate provides a foundation for all sorts of role-playing scenarios. Kids can spend hours creating toy trains, tiger figurines, or whatever their hearts desire. This classic collection of LEGO bricks fosters creativity and imaginative play. The fun doesn't have to stop there. This set is compatible with all other LEGO construction sets. This allows kids to expand their creations and build even bigger and better things. This 484-piece kit is designed for builders of all ages. The green baseplate measures over 3 inches long and 6 inches wide. It's the perfect gift for boys and girls aged 4 to 99. What we like? This LEGO set is all about sparking creativity, letting kids build anything they can imagine. It includes a variety of bricks in different colors, encouraging imaginative play. If you're looking for a toy that grows with your child and allows for endless possibilities, this is a great choice. What people say. All 484 pieces are classic LEGO, solid, sturdy, and click together perfectly. With 35 colors, wheels, windows, eyes, and building ideas included, the set sparks creativity, and my kids made everything from race cars to tiny houses. Handy plastic storage box, keeps everything organized, stackable, and easy to transport. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Cleaning Set for Toddlers. This colorful cleaning set is designed to spark imaginative fun. Children can sweep, mop, and dust, while learning important life skills. It encourages independence and responsibility. The set includes a broom, mop, duster, and brush, all kid-sized. There's also a dustpan and a wooden stand for easy storage. This set is made of durable wood. These wooden toys are designed to build confidence and support fine motor skills. Kids can improve their coordination through hands-on pretend tasks. It's a great way to encourage imaginative role play. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This cleaning set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or as a reward. It inspires screen-free play and is a timeless toy for both boys and girls. Melissa and Doug has been inspiring kid-powered play for over 35 years. They offer a wide range of learning toys, puzzles, and more. This set is a great addition to their collection. What we like? This cleaning set features realistic wooden tools, perfect for little helpers. It inspires hours of pretend play, teaching kids about responsibility and essential life skills. If you like the idea of a toy that combines fun with learning, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. The quality is excellent, sturdy, and perfectly sized for little hands. There is a variety of different items for the child to sweep, dust, mop. They now have their very own wooden set to help out. Looks as pictured. Was boxed great. Soft bristles on the broom. The duster is extremely soft also. Very cute. And at best it has a stand to hang all your cleaning stuff on to keep up with them. Number 3. Play 22 Kids 4-piece Cleaning Set. This Play 22 cleaning set is perfect for young children. It includes everything they need to pretend to clean, like a real set. It's a great way for them to learn and have fun. The set includes a broom, mop, brush, and dustpan. The mop has an extendable handle, so it can be adjusted to their height. They can help around the house with this fun set. This toy cleaning set allows kids to engage in realistic pretend play. They can use the tools to clean their own rooms. This helps them develop creative confidence. The set helps kids learn what supplies work on different household items. It encourages them to explore and discover. This set is a great gift for any occasion. This cleaning set is a wonderful gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any holiday. It's designed for both boys and girls. It's a gift that provides hours of fun. What we like. This set is a real cleaning set, allowing kids to actually clean their rooms. It helps develop creative confidence and teaches them what supplies work best. If you have a child who loves to help out with chores, this is the perfect gift to encourage their enthusiasm. What people say. The toy cleaning set is a great way to get your toddler interested in cleaning. The set includes a variety of cleaning tools, such as a broom, mop, and dustpan. The cleaning tools are sized perfectly for little hands. Number 2. Kidzlane Toddler Cleaning Set, Fun Playtime for Kids. This Kidzlane cleaning set comes with everything your child needs for imaginative play. It includes a mop, duster, and even a wet floor sign. This set will help kids learn while having fun. The tools in this toddler cleaning set look and feel just like the real thing. It's perfect for encouraging responsibility and developing those important motor skills. Let your child pretend to be a grown-up with this cleaning set. It helps them understand chores while making cleaning a fun activity. It's ideal for kids aged 4 to 8. Made with quality materials, this play set is built to last through many play sessions. The set is designed with safety in mind for young children. This toy cleaning set promotes early learning by encouraging role-playing and teamwork. It's perfect for family bonding and teaching the value of cleanliness from an early age. What we like. This set includes a complete kit with realistic tools, designed to look and feel like the real thing. It promotes early learning by encouraging role-playing and teamwork. If you are looking for a fun way to teach your child about cleanliness and responsibility, this set is ideal. What people say. The toy cleaning set is a great way to get your little one involved in chores. The set includes a variety of cleaning tools, such as a broom, mop, and dustpan. The cleaning tools are sized perfectly for toddlers and easy to maneuver. Number 1. Beach Toys 19-piece Sand Toys Set for Kids. This 19-piece sand and snow toy set sparks imagination. It includes a water wheel, tools, molds, and a mesh bag. It's perfect for creative exploration. Made from thick, safe plastic, this set is built to last. The non-toxic materials ensure your child's safety during play. It's suitable for all ages. The bright colors of this set will capture your child's attention. The vibrant hues make playtime even more enjoyable. It's a feast for the eyes. The included mesh bag makes storage and transport easy. Keep everything tidy and accessible. It's a convenient solution for any outing. Make this summer unforgettable with this beach toy set. It's ideal for beach trips or pool parties. They'll have hours of fun. The mesh bag makes cleaning and storage a breeze. Enjoy outdoor play anytime, anywhere. It's designed for convenience. We offer dedicated customer support. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are here to help. What we like. This beach toy set inspires endless fun and creativity with a variety of tools and molds. The toys are made from durable and safe materials, perfect for outdoor play. If you like the idea of a fun and engaging toy for the beach or sandbox, this set is a great choice. What people say. The toy cleaning set is a great way to get kids interested in helping around the house. The set includes a variety of cleaning tools, such as a broom, mop, and dustpan. The cleaning tools are sized perfectly for little hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.